When I arrived to Arbec, my first goal was obviously to start monitoring planned and unplanned downtime. And obviously, we realized that reliability of the equipment was one of the threats. And our focus was on two areas. The first one was the predictive maintenance, and the second one was the preventive maintenance. On the predictive maintenance, that's for me is the best way to address unplanned downtime. We decided to work with AssetWatch to implement sensors-based condition monitoring.
And obviously, with real-time analysis and being able to predict failures before they become catastrophic, this very much impacts that planned versus unplanned downtime.
Within 24 hours, AssetWatch installed over 200 sensors, and in 1 week, the system was up and running and already sent us some warning to check, even after 1 week. But the major, I would say, KPI that we're following every month is cost saving. And AssetWatch has a really great feature into the application that help us enter the loss that we save, because we fix the problem before the problem is coming. So we can monitor how many minutes, hours, dollars of unplanned downtime that we save every week, every month. So this, for me, it's a major indicator that tell us if the project is good or not.